welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to cook something very special, and we are going to cook honey garlic chicken breast. And without further ado, we will show our ingredients. Here's the ingredients we are going to cook. So it's very easy to find. So first is the garlic, which is minced. I already chopped it into smaller pieces, and then we need also the broccoli. What is Arabic of garlic? Tom. And then the broccoli. What is Arabic of broccoli? Broccoli. Broccoli, same. Okay. And also the chicken breast, which is chopped already into bite size. And then the carrots. What is Arabic of carrots?
Jazar.
Jazar. And for the breast, it's the judge. And also, special mention to all. We also need the cornstarch. Or if you don't have the cornstarch, you can use the all-purpose flour. Okay. And then pipil as well, or the pepper. Black pepper. Pamintang durog. And then also the salt. We need also the salt. And then, of course, soy sauce from the Philippines, Dato Puti. And then also we need this honey. This is from Pakistan. And also we need these cubes, chicken cubes. And lastly, we need cooking oil, but we don't have cooking oil. Okay na, it's almost na. No more. So we need this oil. Ayan, mga Pilipino maparaan na. So, what is Arabic of oil? Salt.
Mele.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Honey.
Asal.
Diba? It's an Arabic learnings tutorial. So, let's start cooking. First of all, we have soup. Igisa, steer the vegetables. So, come na here, saan? Here's our pan. So, we are going to open first. Let's open the stove. Okay, so we are going to heat the pan. This is the pan. We open the stove. So, let's just wait a few seconds. So, before that, we'll just heat. Thank you, in yogurt. Drink. Endorser. So, ayun. How are you guys? How are you, Kabun? How are you, saan? Good. I'm with saan? I'm with saan? So, okay na. First, we will put the oil. Cooking oil. And then after heating the oil, so let's put na the carrots. Ayan. Sige, haluin mo muna. Asaad. Sa mga nagtatanong, who is Asaad? Asaad is a very special person. So, after that, medyo malambot na siya, we will proceed to the broccoli. Just put the broccoli. So, after that, we will transfer to a container. Oh my God, Saad. Off na, you off the... Off na! Ah! See, it's burning na. Intanapi mahal mo cooking sa. So ayun, isa-set aside natin to and we will cook the chicken breast na. I will just add another cooking oil because we're going to cook the chicken breast. Okay, after we heated the oil, we will put the chicken. So we cut the chicken into bite size para madali siyang makain. And then the garlic. Ganyan maghalo asahan. And black pepper. Okay. So ayan, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-mix nyo lang yung apat, yung honey, soy sauce, cornstarch, and broth cubes, and i-mix nyo hanggang maging parang ano siya, soy sauce. Parang ano bang tawag dyan? Maging creamy or sticky like this. Yan yung ilalagay nyo as toppings. So, here na our finished sauce toppings, and we will put it and mix in the chicken. So good. Hayaan lang natin i-absorb ng chicken and vegetable ng konti yung sauce. Para siyang fishball sauce, right? You know what I mean? You know fishball sauce? Ang takalamias, ang tamalong. Wala.
Kiwi.
So ayun, we just finished the cooking, and this is our final product for our honey garlic chicken breast. Tinikman na namin siya in advance, and napaka-perfect. Perfect, right? Asaan? Too much good?
Too much.
Okay, so we will eat na, and again, this is our finished product. So let's eat na! Yum yum yum! Actually, this is our first time to cook honey garlic chicken breast, and we browse it online. So I will post the website kung saan namin nakita yung recipe and the process of how to cook this one. And ayun, masarap naman yung pinalabasin niya, and it's our first time. Thank you po. So if you like this video and you want to follow the recipe and the cooking procedure, just watch the video and send like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are all updated in our videos. And thank you so much for watching, Kaboom, and always remember, let's discover everything under the sun. Let's explore, experience, and enjoy everything under the sun. I am Bombi, and this is Discover Bombi. Let's eat na! Yum yum yum! Masaad! Mapi!
Ano suto?
La!
Mag-isip.
Hada bas. Yan lang. Let's eat, guys. Mmm.